Garden of Funland. Wow. With water, because I like water, you know. Alright. So that's where I want you to put your mind. Okay? So I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath. Into your nose. Into your nose. You're taking a deep breath. And then relax. Okay? So, I want you to look down at your hands. You see your hands moving? Alright, I want you to stop them.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Gold teeth is your mama, Mrs. Winter. That's gold. This is Ali.
No, so we do it.
Yeah, that's gold teeth, mom.
Right.
Finally we meet her, you know? Gold teeth.
We've been talking about you for too long, and this is my assistant, Brittany.
Brittany? Hello, Brittany. Yeah, because it's a pleasure. I'm not lying, it's really a pleasure.
Yes, my son been talking about you, been sending videos and things for me to look at.
Yeah.
The
charity that we're doing in TrenchTown.
Yes, you know that client, if you come on a Tuesday, you'd have seen him.
Yeah.
And he said he know about you.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Mr. Thompson.
Mr. Thompson.
He said
okay.
he's from, I think, Jonestown.
Jonestown.
Yes.
Oh. Because a lot of people know about the program still.
Yes, I didn't know until my son
tell you about it.
Yes, he sent it to me.
Maybe
And
because
ask
you
me
are
to-
busy.
Yeah.
That's the reason why you haven't
Yeah.
get
So
a
how's
chance.
how's the lady?
She's here in the
She's in
vehicle,
the car.
yeah.
Oh
So
yes,
we'll
because
just,
she has to park. Good.
yeah, close there, so you have to take her out.
Let me just go around.
It's nice. Yeah,
You're a son?
Yeah,
You're a son?
Yeah, this is the son that
What's
is-
your name?
Ali.
Okay. Alright, because that's what you told me.
this is the
So
son.
how long has she been ill?
I guess a long time, you know, like we're gonna keep checking on it for a long time.
It's a
She'll
good
be
life.
busy and work. I'm working.
So why didn't find therapy for her?
Huh?
Why you didn't find some therapy for her before?
But at the time, she never let one go to no therapy.
No man, she has to, you have to catch it, you know?
Yeah.
Whatever it is, the brain working, you have to get the brain working to get the limb
Yeah.
working, and therapy is one of the best things. So we have a gym around here, so
Okay.
you think she'll be afraid of the gym?
I don't know.
Because that is going to be a part of the therapy,
Okay.
you know, in order to get her to work. So what we do is more oriental. It's not Western, it's Eastern, Chinese, Japanese, all this. So that's the shiatsu room, which is Japanese. That one you can't wear any shoes at all in that.
Okay.
That's the only room you don't wear a shoe in because we work on the ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that one is called the Japanese room.
Yeah.
So that's the Chinese, Indonesia, Thai, do all of those. And then the gym is down there. So it's and it's like diet, so you have to find out food she eat.
Yeah.
So it you know takes a whole, it's a whole program. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's a whole.
When she come in, she go and take you, tell her what she
What
eat
she
and-
okay.
So
Alright.
can you like tell them where to find this place?
Okay, well, we are, this is Japanese Mind and Body Wellness Center, and we are at 10 Windsor Avenue. We are 10 Windsor, and that is off Old Oak Road.
Off Old Oak Road.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is off Old Oak Road. You can go Fairway Avenue as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can, so it's not really hard
Yeah,
to
but
find
you have a
once you
location
come.
at Farewell Avenue as well.
No,
No, entry from
yes,
here.
from Fairway.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, which is up that side.
I'm familiar with the place in the past.
Yes.
I read Nita.
Okay.
End of it.
Oh, okay.
So I'm
Yeah.
familiar with the place.
Yeah, so if you're coming from say Crossroad, you
Yeah.
go from the left, and if you're coming, you come from the
Okay. So how long now is this business opening?
Well, I'm here
Hold on.
6 years now.
6 years.
Came to Jamaica 6 years now and set this up.
Okay.
Yes, 6 years ago.
So is this something that you always been doing all your life?
I have been doing this, yes, for over 40 years.
Wow.
Yeah, over 40 years.
Yeah, that's nice.
Started out in the gym, I don't know, I used to do the exercise program.
Yeah.
Used to do body basic, I don't know if anybody know about body
Okay.
basic.
Can
So I
see.
used- So I used to do exercise, and then I started studying Chinese medicine, Oriental,
Yeah.
because I realized that it worked. You know, so yeah, I've been doing this for a very long time.
So that's my apologies. I just want to introduce your name,
Yeah.
say it to the public so they can know your name and everything.
My name is Javan Pinto.
Gavin Pinto.
And Javanese is a principle, not my name, it's just a principle.
Just a principal.
Yes, of the work. You know, I don't know
Okay.
if you know anything about the Japanese people.
No.
So, you know, you can study about it, go
Yeah.
online, read up
Yeah, I'm
about
going to research now.
do some research on the Japanese treatment. So this was introduced to me 40 years ago.
40 years ago.
And I didn't learn. Matter of fact, I wanted to learn karate.
Yeah.
But my instructor was blind at the time. He felt my middle and he said I am not a fighter. I'm supposed to be a healer.
Okay.
And so that's, you know, that's where the tradition come from. Yes, and the transition
Yeah.
to leave the karate part and go into the healing part of it. And
Yeah.
you know, I'm so glad I made the transition.
Yeah.
I'm really
It's
glad.
truly a blessing, you know.
And I'm so glad I'm back in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I love
Oh,
Jamaica. Yes.
Well, I'm so glad that I know that I finally meet you. You know, really appreciate. You know, Goldie is a good friend of mine.
Yes, he speak about you all the time, but I told him I'd never heard of you, and he told me that he'll send me a video.
Yeah.
And he sent me the video, and I had so many messages I didn't get to check it. And then he says, "Mom, I'm sending you back again. You need to check him out. Kino is doing a lot of work.
We do a lot of work still for the community.
So I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah, because we build houses, you know, and kind of change our people's life and then little things. So it's a good. I do a lot of things too, you know. So.
You cook as well?
We cook for the old people.
For the elderly, them and everything. So.
Yes.
It's a great work that we've been doing in TrenchTown there,
I'm
you know.
glad to hear that.
Touch a lot of people across the world. So this is why it leads us right here to here, because his mom, her story and her condition touch a lot of people overseas. You know, a lot of people cry the tears when them see the condition, and even when time the son cry, because he's a part of the dream team and has been helping out other people. But we never really know the condition of his mom till when time we put it out there. So it kind of unexpected touch everyone's heart to know that he's been doing so much and his mom was in so much of need of some type of assistance for a condition that she's going through. And
so you've been helping others and not helping himself, so to speak. In terms of his mom. You can turn that on just a little.
So that's
so
what brought us here
well,
today.
You know something? I think my husband, not only though, I think my husband, not my husband, my son, actually maybe set you on to me, because this is what we do as well. I grew up, I've been on my own from I was 3, I can tell you. Because my mom went to England and leave me, and then my grandma bored me out with somebody somewhere down Pinkley. And at 5, 6, they have me living on that tree. Sleeping with the dogs and all that. And I remember a madman used to come in every night and rub my head and said to me, "You'll be alright." And at 6, I told my sister that they're not taking care of me. Cause they only look after me when my grandma come. And as my grandma leave, they take off all my clothes and shoes, and I'm just there, don't go school or anything. And my grandmother, my sister came and steal me away and take me to my grandma. And that's when my grandmother find out. But sad to say, I had a split between my teeth, and my grandmother thought I was going to be a prostitute growing up. So she didn't want to waste any time and money with me. So I was sent here, sent there, you know, all over the place. And at 13, she put me out on the road. So I lived on the street and eat on the street, you know.
You've been through.
But I tell myself, I used to look on Beverly Hills, and I used to look on the VW car, and I said, one day, that's where I'm gonna So I send myself back to school. You understand? So even sometimes you look at people on the road and they tell you the story, and they look at me and they want to be like me. And they would never like to know the roughness
what you've been through.
I have been through.
Because you know, everywhere someone reaching life, there's always a story behind everything that you see people go through and to achieve in life. Like there is a story.
So I teach my children, you know, and so I live in Mountain View and I help people, feed them, take care of them, do everything, because I remember when I needed food and help and stuff like that. So, you know, over the years, I teach the children them as well how to take care of their community and things. So I feel good to see young people doing what I used to do in Mountain View.
True.
You know? This is what I used to do in, you know, the Pinto family was one of the tour in Mountain View that help out and you know, take care of everybody no matter who you are. So when he told me about you guys, you know, I said that's nice to see we have a lot of people coming behind us.
For real.
You know,
it's inspiring, you know.
Appreciate that. Man.
So I want you to like give them your contact number for your business, just in case if anyone need any information. Just like you know, say the contact number.
Well, my sister will give you the number, you know, she's written over the number more than you.
So You want to read out the number for them to know it?
Alright, hold on. Alright, so the contact number is 529-3839. Or you can contact her at 848-2380.
So go on, you can repeat it again. So it's 876
529-3839. Or you can contact her at 848-2380.
Yeah, thank you so much. Japanese.
Yeah.
So
Mind and body.
Mind and body.
Center. You have to put the mind and the body, you know.
yeah,
You understand? Can work with the mind and work with the body. So it's Japanese mind and body, and then we combine the blood and everything else.
we were.
Once the mind and the body start work on.
Yeah, definitely. So Ali, you wanna bring in your mom
Yes.
so we can get her to meet Mrs. Pinto.
Yes. Come over, pull yourself over and listen to that side. Alright, hold on and then pull yourself over to this side.
Hold on, girl.
Hold on. Okay, come over. You're doing good. Nice. Thank you. Alright, so now you're going to pull back now so you can rest back.
Move up on the chair.
Yes, pull your bottom back. You're doing good. You're doing very good. Very good. You're doing very good. There you go. Alright. Good. See there? Alright, rest back now. Okay. You can just rest your hand on your lap here. Next one. Okay. Very good. Very good. So I'm just going to ask you to lift your head a little, like you're looking at your son, your handsome son. I saw my son handsome like them too, you know. I have a handsome son too, and it's not only you alone. You understand? Alright, so let me just adjust you a bit. Wonderful. Okay. Very bad edema. Very bad edema.
Yeah.
So the legs are swollen, that's called edema.
That's called edema.
Yes, so there's fluid that is in there. So later on I tell you something that you can, for her to drink to kind of flush out some of the food. Yeah. My name is Javan Pinto. Welcome to the Javanese Mind and Body Wellness Center. What's your name? Carmelita Smith. Okay. Nice meeting you. My son told me about you, Yes. And he sent me a video and said I should watch it. And get in touch with this young man, Kino. Because he and your son is doing good work. Alright? So what I want to find out from you, I don't know, I'll ask your son to fill the seed. Right? Because she can't write, right? So I'll ask your son to fill this in. So I'm going to ask you some questions, and with that, he can put I'll give it to him to fill in, alright?
Yeah.
I was gonna ask you some questions. Okay. Do you feel in your knee?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, let me come sit on this side here.
And I have a tightness in the stomach.
You have a tightness in the stomach?
Yeah.
Alright. No, the only thing you know is, you see that bench there? It's a Japanese stretch bench that your son would have to go put you on there to lay down, you know. You game in laying down? Cause that's the only way I can check your stomach to see why your stomach bothering you like that. Alright? But I'm gonna ask you to do something for me, okay?
Yes.
I want you to concentrate. Right? Think about a place that you like to be now. Think about it, not your bed. Think about somewhere nice. Alright, you want to tell me? Where would you like to be now if you have the choice? A nice place.
A garden of Funland.
A garden of Funland, wow. With water, because I like water, you know. Alright. So that's where I want you to put your mind. Okay? So I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath. Into your nose. Into your nose. You're taking a deep breath. And then relax. Okay? So, I want you to look down at your hands. You see your hands moving? Alright, I want you to stop them. Very good. Take a deep breath in. And relax. They're gonna move again because you're off it. Okay, I want you to stop them again. And then relax. So what I want you to do is, when you're at home and they're shaking this much, just put yourself in a different zone. Look down on them and just stop them. They'll come back, but each time stop them. Because you can do that, you know. You just do that about twice okay? They don't stay that way for long, you know. But what I'm teaching you to do right now before we do anything else is kind of control that, alright? So think again. Where would you like to be? I'm going to tell you where I think the best place for you to be. You want to hear that? The beach. Nothing nice like lying down in some water right now on your back. And your hands just drop down to your side.
And the sun.
Sure! Now you're talking. So I'm going to tell you to put yourself at the beach and stop your hand from shaking. And then relax. So every now and then, that's where I want you to go. Go to another place and quiet your body. Alright? It takes time. It takes time. Alright? So that's one. Number two is, you said you have some pain in the knee. Alright? So I want you to look down and hear from me. So, this is your left knee and this is your right knee. Which knee? Is it both? Both knees. So we'll put a circle here. And the hands are shaking. Alright? So we know that's a nerve. You know that is a nerve cause that?
Yes.
Suppose I tell you when I was much younger and people say about the nerves. People used to say your nerves are because you're mad. But you know that's not true.
They used to tell me because I have too much picnic.
You have too much picnic? No, sir, nothing. How much children you get? You have 15. Okay. But you know something? I know people who don't have any children and they have Parkinson's. I lived abroad and I work in the nursing industry and I know people have no children and they have that. Sometimes what happens is because it could be hereditary. You understand? It could be hereditary. You can have one child and this happen to you. You can have no children and this happen to you. It's just something that is already like some people have diabetes, hypertension. You see? Suppose you stop at 4. You'd have this strong young man to lift you up and carry you in and all of that. So don't listen to nobody. Children are a blessing and God give you all your children. It just happened that we have these things in our family line that, you know, that make us sick. So your children now have to look at what you go through, what is happening with you, and to make sure they're taking care of themselves. You understand? Like even with the food and things like that. So even the food, we're gonna work on the food a little, right? You used to like a lot of junk food when you're younger? Pudding, fried fish, fried dumpling, fried fritters. Oh, nice. But guess what happened? Trouble. Trouble. You understand? So we're gonna change all of that as well. Now the feet are swollen and that make it hard for you to stand up as well. It's hard work, you know, Mama. You willing to work? Yeah. So if you're willing to work, I'm willing to work with you, right? Because we want to get this down a bit. Okay? So I'll tell your son what we need to do. Because so they're swollen.
Yeah, when I wake up in the morning, then come down.
They come down.
And as I get up and
start
sit down,
moving around.
I don't move around. And then get me up off the bed.
Yes.
I just sit down and play.
Yes, not good.
Till in the evening.
Not good.
About going to bed.
No, man. Every day, that's what you must do, you know.
Indeed, that's true. But when I tell them to hold me and make me walk,
Yes.
them no want to carry me home.
Because them afraid they're going to fall down.
So I tell them I'm not drop.
Well, don't worry.
Like them hold me.
I'm going to show them how to work with it, right? You need one of those.
I have one of those.
You have one.
Yeah.
So with that now, we'll show you eventually how to use it. Don't bother with the wheelchair business, you know.
My son get to our next one with wheel
Yes.
and tap brakes and they hold me with it one day and we move around with it.
With it, yes, yes.
But
So,
them don't want
some local vibes in the area now. You know, I take her out and
Outside.
start.
Yeah, but what about in the yard? Can
Yeah,
she
we
go
take
around?
her out in the
Yes,
yard.
yes. She don't have to go outside, you know.
No, we don't take her outside because
Yes.
it's like it's a tenement yard.
Oh.
People run through.
Run through, yeah,
No,
coming in and coming out.
yeah.
They don't want, I get you. Yes,
So
yes,
most time me there work,
yes.
I'm coming.
So who take care of her?
Yeah, I have two other sister them.
Oh,
Three other
they
sister
take
them
her.
and she will leave.
Yes.
the
But the
pipe
lying
up
down
already.
too much. The lying down just wastes her body, you know. The lion sitting down now.
One time I'm come check her, she tell me say she want to go outside.
Yes.
I have to carry her.
And take her out. Yes, man. The sun. If you could even put her at the door every day, twice a day. In the morning, let her sit on a chair to get the vitamin D. And in the evening, before the sun go down, you put her back out here again. What kind of vitamin she takes?
I don't
She don't take
You don't take
vitamin.
vitamin?
She used to drink the Insure. They used to buy the Insure for her.
Where would you put yourself? Point to me. Look at it. You are 10. Alright. Understand. Alright. You suffer from headache?
Just
Sometimes. Okay, so no diabetes. Depression?
Right.
If you get depressed sometimes.
No.
Mommy, you know worry about who you sick?
No, I don't really worry. No, just sometimes.
That is good.
Sometimes.
You can lock it back. Oh, you put this rest our hand on the table. Yes. We're taking your blood pressure, okay?
Yeah.
So I just want to see what your blood pressure is. you can put that in and let me just. Okay. Move this one now. That's it. Come again. Move the other one. Very good. Move it. Next one. Next one. Keep coming. You're doing good. Move the other leg. You can do it, man. Okay, come again. Move the leg. The next one. So I'm going to ask you to lift this up now. You lift this up. Ready? You lift. Good. Move the leg now. Move the foot now. Wonderful. Next one. Lift it up one more time. Move it one more time. Alright, ready? You can just stand up this one. I'll hold this part. Good. There you go. You stand up. Put all your weight up here. Alright. Hold on, make sure you hold on. Lift the lift. Lift now. Ready? Good. Alright, move the leg now. Yes. Come again, lift. Lift. Yes, yes. She's not going to let you. Come again. Very good, very good, very good. Come. Good. Nice. Come. Good girl, good girl. Yes. More over on that side. Remember, quiet the hands for me. Quiet the hands. Good girl. Good girl. Very good. I know it's hard, but let's try. Again, push yourself up. Oh, there you go, girl. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Push yourself up. Let's take care of it. Oh, she knows what she's talking about. Push yourself up now. Right. Push yourself up. Good. Bring down. Yes, bring her down. Bring her down. Good. Push yourself up. You're doing good. I'm right here. You won't fall. Alright, so you have to move this one now. There you go. Pull yourself up. Push it. Use this hand now. Push. 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 You can do it. This hand. This is hand you're using now, you know. Alright, use this one now. Yes. Push yourself up. Right, keep going. This hand is too close to you. This one has to be all the way out there. While you use this to push you up. And in the meantime, you move the leg around. Yes. No, don't hit it. Push yourself up. Okay, I don't want you to get up. You hear them bone cricking? They lock up too long. Alright, so Now we can help you to sit. Alright, good. Your clothes is I love, but don't worry, it's for the good. You have to move. Anything you're doing, you have to engage your hands, alright?
Yeah.
Because you use the right, but you're not using the left. I want you to engage both of them. Okay? Alright, I'm just going to shake you around a bit. Shake you around a bit. So I want you to cross your hands like this. Both hands. Lift them up and cross them to your chest. Hold them right here. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're just moving bones and muscle that have been locked up for so long. You hear that? Pick, 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 pick. Here. Lift the hands up now. Good. Bring them back down. Lift. So I'm going to ask you to do that 10 times. Ready? 1. Up. 2. Good. 3. 4. You're doing 5. 5 more. 6. Very good. 7. A little faster now. 8. Up. 9. 10. Good. Now you're going to stretch them all the way up. 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 All the way over your head. I'm going to let you go. All the way up. And you're going to push them all the way up like your son won't. Push it up there. And then bring it back down. A little faster now. Up. 1. Bring it back down. As far as you can take it. 2. 3. You're doing good. 4. Come on, man. Push. 5. Push. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Okay. You're going to bring it out to the side now. Yes. You know the amount of blood they pump into that heart, that doctor telling that you have in heart thing? Eh? We're banging that one up today. Alright. But here what happened. Let me put you out a little. Ease yourself up a little. Ease yourself up. Nice. That's 1. We want 2 more. Ease yourself up. Push. Push yourself. That's 2. Good. Oh, sorry. I feel the move on my hand touch the belt. 1 more now. Push. Push yourself forward. Push. Very good. Very good. So now you're out to the side. You're going to go up and then down. No. To the side. Stretch them all the way up there. Yes. Go up now. All the way up. But you're bringing it to the front. I don't want it to the front. Look at your son.
That side.
You see that? He takes it to the side. Alright? Ready? Up now. Both of them together. Both of them. Up. 1. Lift them up. 2. Good. Up. 3. Up. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. A little faster, man. 9. Faster than that still. 10 more. Faster. 1. 2. That's not fast enough. 3. Up. 4. 5. Faster. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Good.
Exercise. Great exercising.
Exercise is key. Punch. 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 Say punch up now. Punch, punch. Come again. Punch, punch. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right.
Step down.
1, what right? Yeah. Step to right. Yeah. Good. And then push up on the left now. Push up on the left. Very good. Hold it. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Turning this way. But you have to lift that leg, you know. You have to lift the left one. Good. Don't draw it.
Next one.
Because remember you're on the ground now. Good. Lift the other one. Yes. Good, good. This is where you're coming. Alright? With the other hand. Stretch with the other hand. So in order for you to reach there, you know what you have to do? Tell me what you think you have to do. Pull yourself up off your chair.
Yeah, hold on and pull up.
Alright?
I can't get up.
Yes. So pull yourself off
You
your
have to
chair.
sit down back.
Yes.
Pull yourself up.
Feel it move. Ready? Pull. Right. Then sit back down now. You did a very good job. Put the foot out again.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.